By the way, one thing I should add, I took a VIP pass. It's not exactly VIP, it's a fast processing pass. So when you have that, you can basically skip the queue and directly go to the ride. There were less people today, but still this was helpful. So I will say, if you can afford it, it's good to take this. It's only 18 euros per person. I was alone, so it was not a big deal for me to spend another 18 euros when I'm spending so much anyways. So it was fun, and now we are heading back. Just make sure, if you want to enjoy and finish everything soon, or if you want to do the rides twice, you can have this pass, and you can get it in the locker area. So when you enter, first thing you will see is the locker. There you can ask them that I want to have a fast entry, and you will get this pass, and it's a band, and basically you can use it, enjoy the rides twice, thrice, even 3 times it is possible, and you can finish on time with all the rides done. The view from outside the Siam Park, it was amazing. It was fun to have a ride in Siam Park. Some really great rides, especially the tower. I mean, that was too high, and it's amazing to ride that. So the Siam Park is definitely one of the places which you should visit if you are in a trip to Tenerife for a week or so, because you know, if you are only for a few days, it's better to enjoy the beaches, because that's why you are here. If you are for more days, it's better to enjoy Siam Park as well. So as I visited both Siam Park and Loro Park, both has different kind of benefits. Of course, Loro Park is for animals, the kind of a zoo, water animals, the show, and Siam Park is for the water rides, which is amazing. Both the places are a must visit when you are here in Tenerife.